morning, students. Today we'll continue with the similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if number one, their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are and their corresponding sides are in proportion or are in same ratio. Meaning by, if there is a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, or AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF, right? So then they are similar. Even there are two angle. If the two angles are equal, then also the triangles are similar. If the three sides are proportionate, then also triangles are similar. FAS, if two sides are proportionate, meaning by AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, and angle between them are equal, then also the triangles are similar. Now we'll do few examples of this similarity and we'll try to understand how we prove the triangles are similar. Like question 1 is, triangle ABC is right angle at B and angle C is 30 degree. Triangle DEF is right angle at E and angle F is also 30. So triangle ABC is similar. This is the sign of similar to triangle DEF because angle B is equal to angle E 90 and angle C is equal to angle F 90 by AA angle triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. When the triangles are similar, their sides are proportionate, meaning by their ratio is same. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a given figure, triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right angle triangles at B and M. To prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Proof: triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle A is equal to A is common in both the triangles, and triangle B is equal to angle M is equal to 90. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ANP. Therefore, by AA, when the triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Now, how to write the sides are proportional? First of all, if we take triangle ABC and angle A opposite to angle A, side is BC. In second also, angle A is equal, its opposite to side is MP. Then here angle B opposite to this is AC. Then angle M opposite to this is AP. And what is left here? AB. And left here is A. Proportional parts of similar. Example 3 is triangle ABC given is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABE proof triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, AB is equal to AC, AE is equal to AD, and angle A is equal to angle A. That is proportional, that is by CPCD. AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AD is equal to 1. Or we can write AB upon AE is equal to AC upon AD. AB upon AC, AD triangle ADE and triangle ABC. AB upon AE is equal to AC upon AD. AD upon AE. So this will be AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. This will be AB upon AD and AE. and angle A is equal to angle A. This is proved. Therefore, by SAS, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Hence, example 4. R, Q, P and T and S. Given is angle P is equal to angle T. Prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle T given, and angle R is equal to R, that is common. Therefore, by AA, triangle RPO is similar to triangle RTS. If we want to write the proportionality, this angle opposite to angle P, side is RQ, and P is equal to T, side is RS, then angle R opposite to it is QP, and then TS, and what is left here? RQ, RP, and what is left here is R. That is proportional parts of similar triangle, this side opposite to equal angle. Question number 5 is, in triangle LMKPN is parallel to, so find value of ABC in, find X in terms of ABC. So X is, this is X. Triangle KNP and triangle KNL, angle N is equal to angle M is equal to 46, angle K is equal to angle K is common. Therefore, triangle KNP is similar to triangle KNL. Therefore, opposite to K, KNP, opposite to K is NP upon LM. Then angle 46 to this is PK upon KLK is equal to, left is NK upon MK, that is proportional parts of similar triangle. Now we'll put the value NP is X by A is equal to, this is not there, NK C by B plus C. So X is equal to AC upon B plus C. That is all for today. Thank you very much. So in next class we'll do few more sums. If you have any doubt, you can call me at my number, or you can send me the message to clarify it.